Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Light of the Battlefield plate gloves in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to head out to the city of Varnia. It's on the top right corner of the map if you zoom out, as you can see right here. Now go to this exact location within the city. Feel free to pause the video to get the precise location. Now you should be standing in this curved path with a small fountain. If you look closely to our left, you'll see a steel gate just behind this man. I don't know if this guy is permanently leaning here, but you can also use the fire as a landmark. Now drop down onto this side and you'll see a small opening leading to the treasure containing the gear. As you can see, this gear can only be used by Damian. It's an amazing gear for her with 19 attack and exploration focused abyss gears. We have all the gear location videos in the channel for the Light of the Battlefield set, so make sure to check it all out. And that is how to get the Light of the Battlefield plate gloves in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.